Hello everybody, welcome back. It's Inescapable7 and today I'm going to show you something very cool, and it's called block shapes. Or you can edit block shapes in a way, but anyway, this is the guy that I have that has made everything I'm going to show you. So you can go ahead, check him out on Twitter, make sure to do so, and let's go ahead. So basically, something he is working on a lot, I think, is basically making all kinds of new different block shapes and stuff like that. So he makes like different blocks that are basically made of textures and shapes. So this is one of his first pictures he made of this, and I thought it was really cool. So basically you see like some sort of like a ice slab with some diamonds, like the diamond stuff is made the same way as a flower is, I think. And then there's like a diamond texture over that. So that's really cool that he can make that in one block. And as you can see, he did this he placed many more of these blocks down. And he also has one which has a torch inside and a cobblestone whole slab thing, which isn't, it's like a quarter slab really. So that's really cool that he's remaking these custom shapes. So this is one of the coolest things he's made. So this is like a stove or an oven, whatever you want to say. It's basically like the textures are from an iron block and cobblestone. And I've honestly no idea how he makes these, but he codes it all to make new kinds of block shapes. It's really cool to see these, and yeah, as you can see, it's really cool. And here he has a room with many different stoves. So as you can see, they also rotate to different angles and stuff. And yeah, as you can see, here's some more stuff. Like on the left, you can see a weird little ice thing with like tiny little sticks sticking outside. And then we have the stoves again and another thing really. So one of the coolest things he has done is making an actual piston. Now, I don't think pretty sure this isn't like working like a real piston, but the thing he's basically done, this shows it better. These are actually two blocks. The two blocks besides the piston shows what the actual blocks are, and they are shaped in the way to make it look like it's an actual piston. Now I'm pretty sure, this was the last one by the way, now I'm pretty sure that he does not have these for downloads and stuff, but yeah, I'll ask him because I have him on Twitter, and yeah, but these are really cool. I really enjoy seeing these things happening in the Minecraft Pocket Edition community, because it means that there are a lot of people like working on stuff like this. I'm sure there are a couple other people who have tried to do this and maybe succeeded in a way, but I just checked 12 bits like pictures because he has so many of them, and it's pretty cool to see like these stoves and these pistons. I think he's done a really great job. Make sure to go check his Twitter out. And yeah, if you did like this video, make sure to like it, of course. And one last thing, if you want to have any free gift cards, like iTunes gift cards, Amazon gift cards, Walmart gift cards, anything really, make sure to click the top link in the description, which will take you to a video which is a tutorial on how to use a token wall. Token wall is a service which allows you to get all those free gift cards. Anyway, hope you all enjoyed this, and I will see you later.